Okay, so I was assigned what ifs and catastrophizing. So what if slash catastrophizing is when you think negatively or you regret everything and you think of what you should have changed to make life better. So you're always like being very pessimistic and it can lead to like really high depression and anxiety and anxiety levels. Um, so what ifs are specific questions that you ask yourself and like that make you feel more anxious and it generates and maintains an anxious state in your life. It's like when you focus on low probability or high consequence probability, and it can be like really detrimental to a person. What ifs promote a person to solve a problem that hasn't even happened yet, and it can be ongoing throughout your life to fix things in your life that aren't even causing problems, and that really increases your stress level. Examples of what if and catastrophizing questions are like, what if I fail this test? And then you like think of the worst outcome, like then I'll never pass school and I'll be a total failure throughout my life. Or what if I don't recover from this procedure and then I never get better? Or what if I get a divorce? Or there's so many, and since like we chose this related to COVID, you could think like, what if I get COVID and then I can't go to class for that week and then I get behind? Or what if I get COVID and maybe it kills me? Like there's so many things that you can think for like what if questions. So these examples can lead to so many missed opportunities in life, and that's what generates your high stress. And then you're always thinking like the worst of things. So for the example of what if I get divorced, you're thinking if I get married, then I'm going to end up divorced and I'll never find love again, but you'll never end up meeting anybody in the first place because you're so worried about getting divorced. Um, we can prevent what ifs from catastrophizing by recording your thoughts. This teaches you to have control or taking productive action. Any progress to resolving a problem can be considered productive action and help you to reduce your what ifs and catastrophizing thinking. Or conduct a 3-point checkpoint. What am I thinking, feeling, or doing? Learn to tolerate anxiety or uncertainty, and not just like even embracing it. It's good mindfulness practice, and yeah. Or see a therapist. And yeah, some of the consequences of this thinking are you're always catering to your what ifs, then you spend most of your life preparing for disasters that are never going to happen or may never happen. And the sacrifice you make to feel prepared never actually works, and then you end up feeling even less prepared and more out of control. And those are my resources. And yeah, you can go to any of these links to learn more about this.